Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing my recipe on how I achieved this goodness. This chicken is baked, obviously. It is so good. You will not even miss your fried chicken when you try this out. It's both crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So without further ado, let's bake this. I'm going to wash this, then chop it into chunks to ease the blending process. I'll be using the mixture to make a sauce that will be used as a coating for my chicken. I'm going to be drying the blended mixture by pouring it into a pot using medium to high heat. I'll be leaving the pot open to fasten the drying process. While the blended peppers are drying up, let's mix the spices for the dry rub. This is an 8-pound chicken. I'm going to generously sprinkle the dry rub on the chicken and massage it until it is fully coated with the spices. The blended peppers are now dried. I will be using the paste to make a sauce that will be used as the final coating on the chicken. After about 15 minutes of cooking and stirring in between, I'll be adding the seasoning. I'm going to be transferring the chicken into the baking pan. I will be generously coating the chicken with the sauce. For the first 1 hour, I'll be baking the chicken in the oven with a foil over it, so it is properly done. The chicken will be going into a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 1 hour and 10 minutes, I drain the chicken of its oil. That will ensure the chicken isn't overcooked and soggy. At this point, I'll be putting the chicken back in the oven without the foil. This would ensure the chicken is crispy on the outside. The chicken is ready, guys. It looks so yummy and I can't wait to taste it.